Welcome, everyone. Today I'll be presenting a comprehensive implementation plan to close cybersecurity gaps within Greater Achievements environment. The framework guiding this strategy is the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, aligned to HIPAA safeguard requirements since the organization manages student health data and other regulated information. It outlines our current cybersecurity environment, risk, regulatory drivers, and the roadmap to move the organization from its current state to a secure, compliant future state. Our current environment includes several critical systems: the SIS, LMS, donor/CRN, and cloud file storage. Many contain FERPA protected data, HIPAA regulated health data, and donor financial data subject to PCI DSS. The organization relies on partially implemented multi factor authentication, legacy systems, and limited segmentation. Development and configuration processes include gaps in patching, inconsistent change control, and limited endpoint standardization. These conditions create vulnerabilities that will guide our framework alignment and gap closure strategy. Based on our past risk assessment, the top threats include phishing, ransomware, insider threats, data exfiltration, and exploited, unpatched systems. Constraints include legacy technologies that cannot natively support modern controls, budget limits, and staffing gaps for both IT and security. Regulatory obligations added further pressure. HIPAA, FERPA, COPA, PCI DSS, and state breach laws require strict access controls, incident reporting, processes, and consistent risk assessment. Our framework addresses these risks by aligning controls to both compliance and organizational mission objectives. To close cybersecurity gaps, we anchor our program on the NIST cybersecurity framework because it provides a functional, stable structure: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. We also reference ISO IEC 27001 for governance and continuous improvement, and COBIT 2019 for business and IT alignment. Using multiple frameworks allows us to cover technology governance, risk, compliance, and business alignment, ensuring the security program is both technical, sound, and mission focused. This diagram displays how information and security decision flows across the organization. The executive level provides strategy and governance. The operational level implements and monitors controls, while the tactical level executes daily processes and acts as the first line of incident detection and response. Understanding this flow ensures security responsibilities are clearly delegated, communication channels are defined, and decisions follow a structured path that supports HIPAA compliance and NIST CSF governance. HIPAA safeguard rules mandates administrative, technical, and physical controls such as encryption, access control, audit trails, and breach notifications. NIST CSF provides a risk based structure for identifying threats, implementing protections, and improving detection, response, and recovery processes. ISO 27001 establishes a creditable information security management system focused on risk treatment and continual improvement. Across these frameworks, our priority gaps include MFA completion, endpoint hardening, segmentation, and compensating controls for legacy systems. This roadmap outlines how Greater Achievements can close the identified gaps. Phase 1: focus on high impact, high urgent items: multi factor authentication completion, HIPAA aligned, incident response testing, and breach notification readiness. Phase 2 enhances monitoring and network architecture through segmentation and improving endpoint visibility. Phase 3 addresses automation and zero trust design along with ISO 27001 preparation. Phase 4 ensures continuous monitoring, annual tabletop exercises, and policy lifestyle management. Software Assurance Maturity Model provides structure for improving software security. It contains 4 domains: governance, construction, verification, and deployment. Governance includes risk management policies and compliance tracking. Construction emphasizes structure, development, and code review. Verification uses tests such as SAST, DAST, pen tests, and vulnerability management. Deployment ensures secure configuration, incident preparedness, and patch control. Maturity levels range from initial to optimize, giving us a roadmap for improving software assurance over time. Legacy systems challenge our ability to deploy modern controls like MFA and full encryption. Therefore, we apply compensating controls to reduce risk to an acceptable level under HIPAA and NIST. For example, where multi-factor authentication is not supported, we implement segmentation, strict access restrictions, and enhanced monitoring. Where endpoint encryption is incomplete, we apply EDR, VLAN, isolation, and physical safeguards. Virtual patching and NGFW rules compensate for slow patch cycles, reducing exploitation risk. Student portals have the highest sensitivity and require rapid RTO and RPO times. Financial systems require same day recovery, while communication systems require near real time resilience. These objectives drive our backup strategy, redundant infrastructure, planning, and 6-month tabletop testing schedule. By aligning RTO, RPO with technical capabilities, we ensure compliance and minimize educational disruption. Success is measured across compliance, risk, maturity, stakeholder confidence, and resilience indicators. Key goals include achieving full HIPAA safeguard compliance, reducing critical vulnerabilities by 80%, lowering phishing success rates, and improving incident response times. Maturity increases are tied to the SAMM framework. Continuous improvement ensures the organization adapts to evolving threats, audit exceptions, and operational needs. Our next steps include forming a security steering committee, completing phase 1 of the roadmap within 90 days, and conducting a baseline assessment to formally document all gaps. We also plan to schedule an ISO 27001 gap analysis to support long-term certification goals. These actions solidify the governance structure, ensure executive involvement, and prepare the organization for future compliance and resilience improvements.